Alright, update on Wildcat trunk pan replacement part 2, I guess. As you can see, a lot of the old rotted removed. Yes, there's places it's going to get removed later. Still in the in progress phase here. Plan is to get all this bottom stuff done and then work my way up, do all this on the way up. I have most of that's good in the other scrap vehicle. Some of this is good, just needs clean, treated, and painted. And then some of this right here is going to get replaced. It's already over there. Again, clean, treated, and painted. Got the back of the frame cut off and shortened. Just gotta weld it back on. That'll come soon enough. So stay tuned.